What's up, everyone? We're back, and today we're going to be looking at the October box from Glovebox. Again, guys, this is a monthly detailing subscription box. They send you out full-size products, but stuff that you can test and see what you like. Personally, for me, right, I love testing a bunch of products, finding out what the best thing is going to be for my personal cars, for my customer cars, things that make my life easier, best products, and this is a fantastic way to do it. Now, they really try and kind of curate each box to be kind of inclusive for a specific thing. Like last month's box I unboxed for you guys was a full ceramic kit box. So fantastic value. They do give us a little deal here. You'll get a discount on your box. Just use the link down below and make sure you use that and the checkout code, and you will get a discount on your first box so you can test it out and see how you like Glovebox. But personally, I think it's a really cool service. So let's go ahead and unbox this one, take a look at what's inside, and see what they curated for us this month. All right, guys, first things right off the bat, cool Glovebox sticker. Last month's box didn't have a Glovebox sticker. We had a car products sticker, which was cool as well. This is obviously going to my daughters. I love them. They love stickers, so they get it. All right, guys. Always, comes with a little instruction card. It highlights the products that you're going to be getting, and it also gives you discount codes. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it'll give you discount codes for those specific products' websites. If you like the product, you can go there and get discounts on all that kind of stuff. So really cool. First things first, guys, a couple of microfiber towels, which is always nice. You never really have enough because you go through them so often. But one microfiber towel, two microfiber towels. Now this is definitely a different GSM than the first one. And then we have we'll find out what this is. I don't know if it's a mitt or not. I think this is a double-sided. Let's take a look right off the bat, guys. Okay, so referring to the card, we've got the two microfibers right off the bat. These are both from Glovebox. The first one, the orange one, is a 300 GSM towel. Second one is a 365 GSM towel. The 365 is an edgeless microfiber towel, which I do prefer that. This one has a light edge to it, but just having any sort of edge to it just kind of, I typically stick to interiors for that when I'm doing an exterior, especially if I'm doing, like, if I do a paint correction or something like that. Last thing I want to do is make the paint perfect, and then while I'm wiping up the residue, putting any sort of marring back in the paint just because of a hard edge on a microfiber towel. So I like the edgeless one. That's always my favorite. Next thing we have right on the top here is a nice little cushioned, padded, double-sided microfiber. And this is actually from Autofiber, and it's their microfiber wash pad. This is an $8.75 value. And again, they do give you a coupon code on there, so you can go, if you like this thing, you can go and buy more of them. But pretty fantastic, just good size. It's not overly large. When I use my wash mitts, like I said in past videos, I usually use microfiber towels just so I can constantly be using a new one. But with this, it's the right size, and it feels good. It feels really, really good. So it's double-sided, two different colors, so you can know which side you've been using if you've been doing a panel. Flip it, go to your other side, then go clean it in your wash bucket. So really cool there, guys. Let's go ahead and move on to the next thing we have right off the, oh, awesome. I've seen this stuff. I'm really excited about this. So I've seen this stuff, and I really wanted to try it out. So this is from, let's see here, Wizards Metal Renew, $14.01 value apparently, $14.01. And you can get 20% off on their website if you want to buy more. But I've seen this stuff, and it looks really, really good. So let me just pop this open. It smells good too. It smells really good. I don't know why I just put that to the camera. You guys can't smell it. But as you can see, Wizards Metal Renew Polish. It cleans, shines, and protects. All metal polish quickly removes oxidation, leaves a high gloss. Let's see here. It will restore all types of metal surfaces: aluminum, stainless, brass, bronze, copper, nickel, magnesium, tarnished chrome, silver, and gold. Really cool, because there's been times in the past where I wasn't so sure between stainless and chrome and what product to use. If this thing works on all of it, fantastic. Directions: to shake well, work small areas at a time, buff off residue with a microfiber cloth. It does, however, say not recommended for thinly plated metals or show chrome. For show chrome, use mist and shine. Now, the difference between show chrome and not show chrome, I don't know personally. So take that for what it is. I'm not going in too deep with this thing. Currently, I may do a review on this or on different metal polishes down the road. But for now, you do get it. I'm really stoked on this. I'm happy to get this and try this out. So, all right, next item. Let's see here. Wow, that's not a cheap product. CarPro Reset. Now, CarPro is known for having fantastic ceramic coatings, and their entire lineup really is known to be extremely, extremely good. Compounds, polishes, everything. So Reset is a shampoo. All right, guys, so like I said, last month they gave you that whole ceramic coating box to get your car coated and protected. Now, CarPro Reset is a fantastic shampoo. It's good. It's pH neutral. It has some sort of surfactants where they clean with the power of an alkaline, but it's actually pH neutral, so it's supposed to be really good at breaking down all that road grime and stuff like that that can lay on top of your ceramic coating. But since it's pH neutral, it does not affect your ceramic coating, so it's a really good way just to clean your vehicle if it's ceramic coated. Now, there's other products that have ceramics spaced into them, but again, CarPro is a fantastic company, so that's a really great product. All right, last but not least, we do have a trigger sprayer, so I'm assuming this is a sprayable item. And we have DP Detailing Products Need for Bead Paint Protection. So again, I'm assuming, let's see here, leave surfaces extremely hydrophobic and slick, can be used on wet or dry. Okay, so this is gonna be similar to last month's box. They did provide, I can't remember what it was, CarPro, some sort of a spray-on sealant. And this is gonna be similar to that. Now, I've never used this. Smells very good. Smells very good, wow. And let's just go ahead and put this in here real quick. Now, this is one of those products that you can use as, it's gonna add protection, add beading, which makes it hydrophobic, which is always a good thing. It helps clean the car easier because once you rinse it off, you can dry it faster if it's beading up and everything like that. You can also use it as a drying aid, meaning you can spray the car or wash the car, spray this on there. It's gonna leave some protection behind, but it's also gonna help lubricate the whole surface so you can dry it easier. Let's see here, DDP, Need for Bead. Paint Protection is a uniquely formulated paint protection product designed to impart an ultra slick, extremely hydrophobic layer of shine on any vehicle surface. It's designed to work as a topper on your preferred last step product. It says be it waxes, sealants, or coatings. DP Need for Bead Protection utilizes polymeric formula that cross-links and cures the surface, providing a strong anchor for the results that last. Safe for use on virtually all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, plastic, and more. Will bead water on all treated surfaces. So fantastic, guys. This is really a really great follow-up to the ceramic coating box, right? So your car is all protected now. You went through the whole process with that last box. Everything's perfect. Now it's been a month, right? And your car is dirty, and you need to wash it. You grab that CarPro Reset. It's not going to affect your coating. Wash it down using your new wash mitt from Auto Fiber. Use this as a topper protectant. I always do that, guys. Even on ceramic coated vehicles, some people think you need to add no more protection. For me, guys, since these products are so easy to use and they do offer good protection, extreme hydrophobic properties. Now, again, I always use Technician's Choice Ceramic Detail Spray. It's really, really cost effective. I don't know what this thing costs. Let's see here. This little guy is $9.99. So keep that in mind. That's a pretty good price, especially when you compare that to something like, I always compare these products to like the Shine Armors, all those kind of like Instagram, Facebook ad products. These perform just as well at a significantly less price. Ceramic Detail Spray is my favorite of those, but I will say I have not used this personally, so we'll be checking that out down the road. Maybe I'll compare that to the Ceramic Detail Spray and see how it works. But yeah, guys, so wash your car, recoat it with that again, add a little more protection, and keep it nice and lubricated while you're drying it. Go around if you have any chrome in your car. I know that's kind of getting, not a lot of cars have chrome anymore, but for me, it's not in here right now, but for my 1969 Ford Fairlane that I have that's just outside, I'm gonna be trying this out on there. I'm excited to use that. So that's it, guys. That is your box from Glovebox this month. Again, this is the October box. Make sure to use the link down below. I'll flash it across here as well for you guys. I will also link down the ceramic detail spray that I like, just for your reference. If you want to try that out, will be linked down below as well as all these products individually. So that's it, guys. I hope that helps you. And a little bonus video here. This is not my usual schedule that I post, but for these Glovebox videos, I like to get them in and get them posted. Moving forward, we'll do that. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you see these. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know what you guys think about the Glovebox subscription box down below. And yeah, that's it, guys. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe. Make sure you turn on those notifications so you don't miss any videos coming up, and we'll see you on the next one.